Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Die. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Dies Shorts. And I'm going to share with you my class in the mail kits that I have that you can register for right now. I only have a couple of the Valentine Kisses one, and I want to show you those projects so that you can see what you're going to make. The other couple classes, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'm still designing. But I just want to give you a chance because, like I said, Valentine Kisses, I only have a couple left. The other ones, I have more of. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. It is so rainy and cold. Oh my gosh. I shouldn't complain. Well, I'm not really complaining. I'm just telling you because people are getting like a lot of snow. But like rain, we even had hail today. And poor Winston, he hates thunder. He hates anything like that. He hates fireworks. He just shakes like a leaf. So yeah. But so wherever you are viewing from, I hope the weather's nice, or at least you're inside in the warmth. So during the video premiere, usually I'm in the chat room. I hope I will be today, but I'm having company, and we were going to do some running around, some antiquing and stuff. So I'm hoping I can be home by 3 when the video goes. If not, maybe I can, step aside and get on my phone. But I just want to let you know, like, if I'm not, please still talk amongst yourselves like you usually do. But like I said, hopefully I'll be home. So I'm just gonna get to this video, or I will be blabbing all day long. All right, so I am just going to spin my camera. So close your eyes just for a second while I do that. Okay, so this is my January class in the mail kit, and it is the Valentine Kisses bundle. And so you'll get the stamp set and the die. And like I said, I only have a couple of these left.
Person detected at front door.
And I only have a couple of these left. And these are the projects that you will be doing. So here is the first card. And it's even on a little wobble. So she's like the little Cupid or whatever is flying over to the little one holding the teddy bear. And then there's the inside, bear hugs and kisses. Happy Valentine's Day. And then we have the second card is this cute one here, giving you a big smooch. And he is loving on that honey. And then the inside, sending lots of love your way to celebrate this special day. And I used an old embossing folder, so you will get the stamp set and the die. So if anything is in that die, you will do that on your own. You'll just get paper. But like, for instance, this right here, the circle, I'll have that in there, and I'll have this in there. But this right here, you'll do that on your own. You'll do, the heart like that. This will be already done for you. Excuse me. But you'll use your own stamp set and die. And then, of course, you'll use your own inks and everything. But I love how that one turned out. And then this one here is so cute. So this is like the little kissing booth. And then I just wrote like 10 cents on there. You could put whatever you want on there, but I just wrote 10 cents. And she's like waiting in the kissing booth. And the little guy's coming over there. He's all puckered up, and she's got her lipstick on. She's got a little bit of eyeshadow I put on her. And this uses, some of the shaker things. So your embellishments will be in there. You won't get like a whole pack. You'll get what you need. You've got some ribbon here, which is adorable. And then giving you a big smooch. Bear hugs and kisses. So fun. Oh my gosh, I love this one. And I wasn't for sure what this was in the die, but it's the string. So that's super cute. But anyways, I loved doing that one. And then we have the new heart treat bags. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to have you make a little treat bag. Now, I'm not sending you stuff to put in it, because you can put whatever you want in it. But I love how this one turned out. Just put a little ribbon on the top. And I didn't even put any bling or anything because you've got, you know, all of these little hearts and stuff. Now, you'll have this heart and the XOXO and the little hearts there. Those will be in your envelope because those come from a different die. But I love how he's holding his little heart there. And then the last card is this one here. You're one of a kind. And I just kind of stamped some bears around. I cut some out and popped them. And now you're one of a kind. I just did that on my computer. So I'll just have that in your envelope. And then you can just trim it out, you know, so it fits. And then I just thought that was so fun. And then don't forget, so for that class, you'll also get a door prize ticket in your class packet. And then during the video that I do, you know, where you're making your stuff, I will draw, you know, the winning door prize, and then you'll just have to email me or call me or whatever and say, that was, you know, mine. And then I will get this in the mail. Now, this is mine. Yours will come in a box. So, but they're just so cute. It's just this fun little kissing booth, and you've got all the little hearts in there. But I thought it was too perfect. I guess I should have put 25 cents on my card, because then, since this is 25 cents, but maybe she was having a special or something for the 10 cents. But so anyway, this was too cute, and I thought it would be fun to go with your cards if you're going to set them out or whatever. So you can this kind of tells you about the size of it. So it's, you know, because these are regular size card. But anyways, so this again is 60, and you'll make these 5 projects. And then that includes the priority postage, the PDF with close-up pictures, and the supply list, and the video, the private video link to make your projects along with me. So that is the January class. All right, let me set these aside. And then February, so all of these registrations are open. But like I said, the Valentine Kisses, I only have a couple left. All right, so the February class is the Easter basket bundle. And you saw I used this really cute stamp set the other day on my channel. And so this is the one for February. This class is 67. And again, it includes the bundle, the supplies for 5 projects, the PDF, the video, the priority postage, you know, your cardstock and all that kind of good stuff. So that one's February. And then that one will go out the week of February the 16th. The Valentine Kisses will go out the week of January the 12th. So that's why I only have a couple left, because those are ready to go. All right. And then for March is the Sweet Bugs bundle. And this is so stinking cute, isn't it? Oh my gosh, they are adorable. So this one is 64, and this will go out the week of March the 16th. And just like the other classes, I usually always do 5 projects, whether they be 5 cards, sometimes there's 3D in there, but it's usually, you know, 5 projects. The PDF, the priority postage, you know, all that good stuff. So I don't tend to stray from how many things I do for my classes. It's just kind of easy in my head to go, okay, I have to come up with 5 projects, you know, whatever it is. But I do love how these turned out. Now this right here, you'll have that in here. This is, remember I did my January, this was my January, you could earn, not January, but December. Instead of doing the little mini masterpiece, I did the calendar. So this is by the same artist. So see, this is just one of his other different backgrounds. This is the one I used for that one. But I just thought it looked so cute, because then they're kind of in the forest. So that piece will be, you know, in your envelope. But, oh, this was just so fun. And these little bears are so fun to color. They just are so cute. All right, let me say, see you later, alligator. So yeah, so let me know if you want to sign up for those classes. I can do USA only. So if you are watching from another country, I apologize. I know I can only do USA. Now, if you are a snowbird, you live in Arizona, part of the year, as long as you have a United States address, then you can do the class, but I can't send it out of the country. All right, if you have any questions at all, make sure you holler at me. Otherwise, I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist, and that will be at 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Have a great night, and I will see you then. All right, bye for now.